In this video, I'm gonna show you how to switch Survivor.io account on Android. The first thing that I want you to do is to add or install the Play Games application. So click this Play Games, and then as you can see here, this is the main interface of Play Games. You can also search here the Survivor.io account that is currently installed in my device. So head back to the home screen and then click the three-dotted icon here and then head to settings. Here you can now switch your account by clicking this tab and then select the Google account that you want to use for this switching. Now as you can see here, after the loading screen, we have finally switched to another account. Now click this change account for games. And then click the Survivor.io and the change button. So you can now switch an account here by selecting the game account that you want to switch with. And basically that's it. That's how you can switch accounts in Survivor.io, and thank you for listening.